the Descent hardware wallet, an NFC-based hardware wallet. Is it something that you should purchase? Do stay tuned, as I will be going over everything about this. Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Jutan Al Ahmed, and today we're unboxing Descent NFC hardware wallet, which means there's no battery needed, right? It's an NFC hardware wallet. Let's get straight to it. This knife is so used now that it's just crazy. It's starting to not function. I may even need to purchase a new one, lol. Anyways, let's get on with the cutting up of the box. This is the box that it arrived in. Just full disclosure, this was given to me for free, just so you're aware, and I will be going through all of it. I'm going to be setting it up as well, so do stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to see me set this up. I am very interested in setting this wallet up compared to other wallets, if I be totally frank with you. The reason is I've read some stuff on their website, right, that's make me question a few things, and basically do subscribe and stay tuned because it's going to be very interesting in my opinion. And anyways, let's open the so we have opened the box, but this is interesting. 2, 3, 4. Wow, okay, that's the empty box. Let's throw that away and all of that stuff. Okay, 4. Okay, yeah, the reason that there's 4, let me explain. So it's not 4 different hardware wallets. As you all are aware, I love my community, and I asked Descent, can you give me 2 of this hardware wallet? If you don't know, I've already done an unboxing of the BIOMETRIC hardware wallet, which I asked them to give me 2 of that. The reason is because I love doing giveaways for my community. And yeah, I want to give stuff back to my community. So I will be doing a giveaway of this. If you're interested, do subscribe to the channel and join my Discord. I have active giveaways there. This giveaway is not going to be right now. It's going to be in the future. But yeah, if you're obviously part of my community, you'll be aware that there is going to be a giveaway getting done, right? But yeah, so what it is these interesting. Yeah, so 2 of these are the Descent cards and 2 are the backup cards. Now the question is, which one is the backup and which one? Do you know what, guys? So when I'm unboxing this, right, like right now, I don't know which one's which. There's no actual tag to tell me which one's which, and I'm just going to do it in the order that I got it. So when I do ship this out to whoever the giveaway winner is, hopefully you don't feel like it's been tampered with or anything. It doesn't matter if it somehow did the security chip in here. But yeah, I apologize already in advance because I don't know which one is going to be which, right? Maybe they did say it somewhere, but oh, hold on. This is a good identifier. Now, the problem is, right, okay, can you see here? This says 020049. That says 32. That says 32. And this one says 492. Now the question is, are the 32s the same product, or are the 32s meant to go with 132 and 149? I don't know, but you will see on this video anyways. Let's get on with it. I'm very wary and cautious anyways. Let me do the one which, okay, this one seems like it's a bit, okay, let me do that one. Wow, what an introduction, right? This is going to be interesting. I've not seen a product like this specific one because of the way the whole backup process and stuff is, and the way the card's designed. It's got like a chip and stuff. Anyways, let's have a look. This is a, ooh, that was a nice little cut there. It's very sticky. Don't want to damage anything. Do you know what? Let me get a bit. Okay. It's very padded, so that's a good thing. It's an NFC card, so it doesn't need to be that padded. It doesn't matter. Being padded is a very good thing. There's nothing else in there. Put that away. All in one. All in one. Okay, this is very nice. I like the fact that it's very shiny. Oh, Okay, that's like a sticker. It's embossed. It's not debossed, or is it? Okay, that's debossed actually. Uh, Debossed, not embossed. I can put my nail there. Okay, the most easy and safe all-in-one. Okay, that's the Descent logo. Descent, tap with your smartphone. That's all you need, and then their website just here. So hopefully you can see that there. Okay, let's open this up. Which the question is, which card is this? Pause the video and comment down below which one you think, lol. Is it the backup or is it the actual one? Okay, I don't want to tear this, lol. Ooh, oh, that, ooh. Okay. Do you know what? I didn't expect the card to look like this. I saw the website and stuff. Wow. Wow. Do you know what? If you've watched my other hardware wallet reviews and like unboxings, there's one thing I do. I always come to the hardware wallet a bit later because I want to go through everything. Obviously, this doesn't really have much else. It's got the cover and stuff. I'll show you that in a second. But this is actually grabbed my attention. This looks very nice. Okay, is that the Descent logo? It looks like the logo, but it's very like 3D-ish. Hopefully you can see that there. I'm just gonna try and show you a better angle. You can see like little cubes and stuff. That looks very nice. One thing I'm disliking though is I touched this and it's sticky. Maybe because the glue was here. Yeah, I think there is glue there just to keep it in place. And yeah, that's annoying me a bit. Obviously I'm gonna have to wipe that down. That is really annoying. Okay, interesting. So this is what I want to come on, right? I'll show you that in a second. Let's go through the actual packaging. So start, please tag your card to the smartphone to activate the mobile app. Please change the factory setting pin numbered printed on card to your number, pin, and then... So this is a Korean company, so there is obviously, that must be Korean. In case entering incorrect pin 10 times, the card will be blocked automatically. Does that mean that the card isn't functional ever again? Can you unblock it? We shall find out, lol. This is very hard. There's nothing else in there. Then it's all in one card, the QR code. For more information, please scan the QR. Just tap against the smartphone. That's all you need. Obviously, you're going to need to download the app as well. Let me put this away. I do want to have a quick look at the rest of this card. Look, okay, so pin. You're meant to scratch this away, right? Scratch that, and it's going to have like a pin for this card. My address, that looks like an Ethereum address. I don't know why that Ethereum address is there. Okay, that's very interesting, because if that Ethereum address is now public, that's not very security conscious there, is it? But this is what I mean. When I was checking, sorry, I'm just going to check this QR code quickly with my phone, and I'm not displaying my phone everywhere because I just want to test this. Okay, search. I just want to see what it's actually searching. Okay, so that wallet address is searching this one here. So that QR code is actually that wallet address there. Okay, that's very interesting, right? Okay, so what I have read on the website, by the way, this QR code here is to basically be a quick of a shortcut if people want to transfer stuff to you. I believe that's an Ethereum address. I will be checking that on Ethereum's Etherscan to make sure it is. But yeah, unless it's a Tron address. Do you know what? I have to check. I have to check. Just bear with me. I will be back in a second. Okay, I have checked. This is a Ethereum address. Now, what is interesting to me is, does that mean that this card is already pre-purchased with a private key already on it? That's going to be very interesting, right? Let me just show you a few more close-ups just so you can see that there. And then I'll put this to a side now because I want to go through the other wallets. And now it's time to guess which one. Let's do a bit of ippadippadation, my operation. How many people are in the station? But guys, comment down below if you know what that's from. That's like from my childhood. That's how we used to pick some people. Anyways, hold on. So 4932. I need to take educated guess. Give me a second. I just want to look at this one here, right? Let's do a bit of hold on. 932031, right? 031. Okay, that's just a telephone number. So I would assume if this comes with a backup, like on their website, right, what you can do is you can purchase this with a backup. Now, I would, even though this is a different barcode, that might be for a different product. But the question is, if it's for a different product, were they meant to be coming as a bundle? If they were, then this 3.2 would be part of the same bundle, would it not? Rather than it being a 4.9. That is my deduction. Let's see if I am correct, right? The reason I'm not doing 4.9, just once again, just to clarify, is because even though it's a different barcode, it might be a different product, and the backup card is like a separate different product. I'm seeing it as because it's a card plus a backup card, a product, it'll be under the same barcode. Let's see if I'm correct. But before I do unbox this little beauty here, just so you're aware, if you did want to purchase this, I've got codes, not codes, sorry, I've got links in my description. There are no codes, unfortunately. It's just pure links that you're gonna have to click on or copy and paste onto your browser, but it's worth it. Why? If you wanted to buy this NFC wallet, you'd get 13% off from my specific link that they've given me. I'm an affiliate for them. So you'll get 13% off that. If you wanted to get the biometric wallet, do check my unboxing out for that. But if you want to purchase that, you get $50 off the price. That's crazy amount of discount there. And if you wanted to buy the double bundle, so it's not a single pack, it's a double pack of the biometric wallet, right? You'll get $130 off. That's insane. I would always opt in for that. The reason is because first and foremost, you got a backup, especially if it's your first time purchase, right? If it's not your first time purchase and you just want to get an additional wallet, get the single. But if it's your first time purchase, getting a hardware wallet, definitely the double. The reason is because you'll have a backup in case you ever lost the first one, and then you can do like disaster recovery actions. Okay, and $130 is like, to me, that's what's appealing to me anyway. I always go for stuff like that. Anyways, let's get on with this. Let's not further delay. Let's see if my deduction is correct. That was actually a very nice cut there. Do not use a knife like that because you will stab yourself. I'm just willing to take the risk. So that's my risk assessment. Failure there, high risk person. Well, anybody that's in the crypto space probably is, unless they have studied Bitcoin. Anyway, let's not get into that. All in one, please do not be the same one. It looks like the same packaging. Please, 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 please. That's very interesting. That is the same packaging. I need to open another one just to understand. So that means that was the same item. If that is, by the way, you have to take my word for it. If you don't want to join the giveaway, I understand due to security consciousness, which, yeah, but basically that because that Ethereum address is exposed, I haven't opened it or looked at it. You're just gonna have to trust my word, and or if you do use that and you're gonna use it, if you when you do win it, basically just my advice would be don't use that Ethereum address that's on the card specifically. You're not obviously going to get the full benefit from the card, but just use this different part of the Ethereum. Hold on, what's going on here? Okay, so this is the backup card. Okay, so I was wrong. 4.9 is the different one. Okay, I'm gonna put this into the package again. I'm not gonna go further into this product here. The reason is because obviously I want to give this one away. I'm really upset about that, really, because I wanted the person that wins it to have a fully untouched. But obviously when you do receive it, just so you're aware, one's going to be fully sealed and one obviously not. But yeah, I don't know, I might have to give an additional gift with that, a chocolate bar or something. Yeah, not chocolate bar, because that's probably going to get you addicted to sugar. Anyways, let's continue with this. So same packaging, right? However, the card is different. This is the backup descent card. The product, all the information same here. This is the backup card. It's got the pin here. So let's look at this. This is much more prettier than the backup card. The backup card just looks like a secondary card. And on the back, it's got the user guides and in Korean and in English. Okay, this card's very basic. The pin is there. Do you know what video is going to be very interesting? Me setting this up. It's going to be the first time I set it up. As you all know, I don't pre-script any of these videos or anything. But I do want to keep this here for you all because I want to show you all exactly what the product specification stuff are. I'm just going to show you some close-ups and hopefully you understand. So this NFC hardware wallet is NFC hardware wallet, so no batteries needed, as I've mentioned. It's very, very cost friendly, okay? If we're using my discount code, you can get this for like $35. That's pretty much nothing. Even if you have $30 in crypto, I would get one of these because it's excellent price range, right? You can use 3,000 plus tokens, or all the main ones. This is EAL 5+ certified with the security element and is pin protected. So if you were to try this multiple times with the wrong pin, as it mentioned there 10 times, you would make this unusable, okay? You can get custom designed cards. As you can see that this card's really pretty already. You get custom designed ones, especially if you're a business or something. They've mentioned 4 points on their website, which is it's got a security chip, there's a factory pin, a QR code for directly going into that wallet address, which is the Ethereum address, which we've confirmed, and to manage NFTs. I've mentioned the fact that I'm doing a giveaway, how much percentage stuff you can get off, how much dollars. Please do subscribe if you're interested in this giveaway, and do subscribe to watch me actually set this bad boy up. It's going to be very interesting because I've not seen a hardware wallet that's like this. There's obviously other card hardware and NFC wallets, but this is unique in my opinion. I really am interested to see how easy the process of setting this up is, and if you can manage this address here. Yeah, anyways, I apologize regarding the fact that I had to open somebody else's hardware wallet, which I'm giving away. Do trust me if you do, if you've watched who I am and what I am and my values and stuff. I won't be looking at the address that's on the back, and I will be sellotaping the package again so you don't. So anyways, you're gonna have to trust me on that. But yeah, I won't know what the actual address is. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please do subscribe, comment down below if you've got any question, and if you liked my deduction and the fact that I got it wrong. Sometimes we make mistakes, just to know that, lol. But yeah, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye all.